In a decisive move, the Indian Air Force has deployed its state-of-the-art Tejas fighters to the western border. With the phasing out of the iconic MiG-21s, India's skies are entering a new chapter of technological superiority and self-reliance. For decades, the MiG-21 was the backbone of the Indian Air Force, dominating the skies and playing a crucial role in conflicts like the 1971 war. But today, as the IAF retires these workhorses, India is banking on its indigenous light combat aircraft, the HAL Tejas. This modern fighter has been stationed at air bases along the western border, a move aimed at both enhancing operational readiness and reducing dependency on foreign imports. The MiG-21 was first inducted into the Indian Air Force in 1964. Over the decades, it became synonymous with India's air defense strategy. From intercepting enemy aircraft to carrying out daring raids, the MiG-21 proved its mettle repeatedly. However, with time, even the most reliable machines age. The MiG-21 faced criticism due to safety concerns, earning the unfortunate nickname "Flying Coffin" due to several crashes. Today, only a handful of these jets remain in service, with a complete phase-out plan by 2026. In stark contrast to the MiG-21, the HAL Tejas is a product of India's ambition to create a world-class fighter jet. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Tejas is equipped with cutting-edge technology, a modern AESA radar for superior targeting and tracking, an advanced fly-by-wire control system for unmatched maneuverability, composite materials that make it lighter and stealthier. What sets the Tejas apart is its versatility. It can perform air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions, all while operating in challenging environments. In short, it's the perfect replacement for the MiG-21. By deploying the Tejas to air bases along the western border, the Indian Air Force is sending a clear message: it's ready to defend the nation with advanced, homegrown technology. These bases are strategically located near critical areas, ensuring quick response times during any escalation. The deployment also allows the IAF to maintain a technological edge over adversaries, particularly in contested airspace along the border. The deployment of the Tejas is part of a larger vision. India is not just replacing older jets, it's revolutionizing its air combat capabilities. The IAF plans to induct nearly 100 upgraded Tejas Mk-1A fighters, which will feature even more advanced systems like electronic warfare capabilities and mid-air refueling. Beyond that, the Tejas Mk-2 and the AMCA are in the pipeline, promising to take India's air power to the next level. The Tejas program isn't just about military strategy, it's about national pride. Every jet symbolizes India's ability to innovate, adapt, and excel. By relying on indigenous technology, India reduces its dependence on foreign suppliers, saving billions and ensuring strategic autonomy. The deployment of Tejas fighters marks a historic milestone for the Indian Air Force. As the MiG-21s bid farewell, the Tejas takes the baton, leading India into a future of modernized, self-reliant defense. What do you think about this move? Is the HAL Tejas the right choice for India's future? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Ultra Defense for more insights on military advancements and defense strategies.